welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract images from your Pages document on Mac. I received this document from someone and I need to extract these images here. So what I'm going to do is from these pages, I'm going to click File and then click Advanced and then change the file into a package. And now once it's there, you're going to save this one into your local file. Okay, so I'm now in my local desktop file, and this is the file that I have saved. So I'm going to right click this file and show package contents. So click that one, and you see here on this folder data, you'll see the different images that I have. So this one is just a duplicate, but it's a smaller version. This is 91 KB and this is 12 KB. So you just need to choose which of these files that you have. So we have a small and a regular version. So let's say I want to use this one. I'm just going to right click this file and duplicate. And once I have the copy, I'm just going to save this one to my desktop again. So just move this and move it back to my desktop. I'm going to right click and then duplicate this one. And so the copy is moved to my local desktop folder. So you'll see here from my desktop, I have here this pot image and this other image. Another thing that you need to see also is, so this is my local file, you won't really see the images that was in there. So you just need to double click and show the package contents. It is not advised to just automatically move this file to your desktop. Let's try this. So you move this file, but it will mess with what's in here. So let's just refresh this. You see that this is pixelated because you moved the large image into our desktop file and the remaining image in the data is the smaller one. So I would highly recommend that if you want to extract the file, you duplicate it rather than directly moving the file to the data, because it will mess with your Pages files. I hope this video helped you out, and if you like it, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.